Hello and welcome to another episode of Impala Overland. You join me on the road. I'm heading up to a little town by the name of Gloucester. No camping for me tonight, sadly, but still exciting things coming in the morning. So I've just come back from my trip up to Gloucester. This is the Drifta, I think it's a Wagon number 2 setup. I'll put down here, I'll put the correct name. So first off, obviously it has a single drawer. They use a Teflon slide that sits under the drawer. So there's no drawer slides. The drawer maximizes the space that you use in the van pretty well. So you get a fairly large drawer. I've got my toolkit and recovery gear and first aid kit and a handful of other bits and pieces in here. Then you have the fridge slide. So pop that latch open and out your fridge slide comes. One of the reasons why I selected this particular design of drawer system is because I wanted my fridge to be at that floor height. I just wanted simplicity. So this is really simple. It's got 2 drawer slides and that's it. It's under the tailgate, which the tailgate's actually quite handy for preventing rain. Probably my favorite part of these drawers, and one of the primary reasons why I didn't go with another brand. So besides everything I've told you already, it's the table. So Drifta drawers all come, well, most of them I think come with a table like this. So what this table gives me back is a work surface. Because I don't have a tailgate in this car, this is then a surface where I can put a kettle on or make a sandwich. The whole thing comes out. So that is actually a table. It's pretty quick and easy. Pretty quick and easy to set up, and I really like that. A table is something that you need a solution for. I find this table fantastic. It's not a massive table. You don't need a massive table in my opinion. That is one of the key features about the drawers that I really enjoy. And that's it, the drawer system in the 300 series. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe down below. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you next time. Cheers. Makes it, yeah. Yeah, no, TSS is that. Sorry, I'm an idiot. The new